Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.65% to 26,694.9 from yesterday's 26,522.73. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 1.18% to 1,645.66 from yesterday's 1,626.47. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.18% to 214.7 from yesterday's 212.2.
Latest news.
Darewise Entertainment and Horizen Labs to launch first Metaverse ecosystem token on Bitcoin blockchain. Darewise Entertainment has partnered with Horizen Labs to develop the first-ever Metaverse ecosystem token on the Bitcoin blockchain. The token will power a comprehensive ecosystem on the Bitcoin blockchain, with the Life Beyond Gaming Metaverse becoming the first gaming platform to integrate the token. The partnership aims to bring new possibilities for gaming, brands, and real-life experiences within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Darewise Entertainment's co-founder and CEO, Benjamin Charbit, emphasized the potential of Bitcoin beyond being a store of value and the importance of active participation and diligent work to unlock its evolution. Horizen Labs CEO, Robert Viglione, expressed excitement about the partnership and their eagerness to contribute to the project and advance Bitcoin and Ordinals ecosystems. Deutsche Bank partners with Taurus for digital asset custody and tokenization services. Deutsche Bank has signed a global partnership agreement with Swiss startup Taurus to establish digital asset custody and tokenization services for its clients. With total assets exceeding 4 trillion, the German financial giant plans to utilize Taurus technology to manage cryptocurrencies, tokenized assets, and digital currencies. The partnership is the result of a thorough selection and due diligence process, and comes after Deutsche Bank's participation in Taurus' $55 million Series B funding round in February. The bank has been seeking to launch digital asset custody since late 2020, and has applied with the German Financial Regulatory Authority, BaFin, to set up its business in June. Databricks raises $500 million in Series I funding round at $43 billion valuation. Databricks has completed a Series I fundraising round, raising $500 million from primary investors led by T. Rowe and new investors such as Capital One Ventures, Giselo Capital Management, Ontario Teachers Pension Plan, and NVIDIA. The latest investment round values the company at $43 billion, with a share price of $23.50. Databricks raised $1.6 billion in a Series H funding round in 2021. The company's most prominent product is its Lakehouse platform, which combines a data warehouse with a data lake for seamless developer workflow access and unifies data, analytics, and AI on a single platform. Databricks Lakehouse allows enterprise clients to build their own generative AI models, such as a ChatGPT-style AI system trained only on internal data, putting privacy controls in the hands of the business client and allowing enterprises to fine-tune models to prevent unwanted or erroneous outputs. The company is one of the highest-valued U.S. artificial intelligence companies, excluding trillion-dollar competitors such as AWS, Microsoft Cloud, and Google Cloud. Databricks' chief competitor, Snowflake, has a market value of approximately $1 billion. Analyst examines U.S. economy and potential impact on Bitcoin. Marcel Pachman, an analyst for Cointelegraph, discussed the current state of the American economy on the latest episode of Macro Markets. He highlighted the disparity between people's perception of the economy and objective data, noting that a significant portion of the population lacks sufficient savings for retirement and household wealth has reached new heights due to surges in equities and real estate assets. Pachman also discussed rising concerns among consumers about increasing prices, particularly the cost of filling up their vehicles with gasoline, which is influenced by Saudi Arabia's decision to extend output curbs. He also addressed the implications for Bitcoin, BTC, and suggested that if inflation outpaces income growth, it could exert downward pressure on the cryptocurrency. Pacman also explored the possibility of a U.S. government shutdown due to disagreements in Congress and questioned the use of disaster funds to cover war expenses, highlighting the potential consequences and legality of such maneuvers. He concluded by suggesting that a U.S. government shutdown could trigger a bull run in Bitcoin and advised investors to keep an eye on this potential trigger for a cryptocurrency rally in early October. Bitcoin predicted to reach $250,000 after next halving, with new all-time highs expected sooner. Bitcoin, a popular social media commentator, has predicted that Bitcoin, BTC, will reach a 25 million target after its next block subsidy halving. The commentator has set a pre-halving target above $69,000 and believes Bitcoin will not only beat its current record but also reach $250,000 per coin after the next halving cycle begins. The halving event, which cuts miner rewards earned per block by 40% every 4 years, is expected to have a significant impact on BTC price performance. Market participants are highly divided on how BTC price action will play out into the halving and beyond. Will Shiba Inu, SHIB, price explode in Q4 2023? The performance of Shiba Inu, SHIB, in the last quarter of 2023 will be influenced by various factors, including investor sentiment, adoption of cryptocurrencies in real-world applications, partnerships with businesses, and technological advancements in the ecosystem. ChatGPT, an AI-based chatbot, suggests that these factors can all have an impact on SHIB's future price. The team has recently launched the much-anticipated Ethereum Layer 2 network, which could potentially influence the token's value. The future of SHIB's price remains uncertain, as multiple developments are in the pipeline. Whether or not these developments will impact the market value of the token is yet to be seen. Coinbase Base Layer 2 blockchain sees record daily transactions. Coinbase Layer 2 blockchain, Base, has experienced a record number of daily transactions, with the platform seeing 1.88 million transactions on Thursday. This surge in activity is not driven by decentralized finance, DeFi, applications or NFT marketplaces, but rather by a new social application, FriendTech. FriendTech is built on Base and has seen increased usage over the last week, with daily transactions reaching an all-time high of 529,000. The recent uptick in activity on Base is attributed to Ethereum's Layer 2 ecosystems evolving, with players becoming more specialized in their own niche. This has fueled the growth of Layer 2 networks like Base, making it a strong candidate for social applications like FriendTech to thrive. Ethereum's transition to PS leads to reduced energy consumption and improved network accessibility. Ethereum has experienced a decline in energy consumption and increased accessibility since transitioning from Proof of Work (POW) to Proof of Stake (POS) consensus mechanism. However, ongoing technical challenges continue to impact its progress. Data from ultrasound money shows a net supply reduction of 299,797 Ether, equal to a 0.04% annualized decrease, following the merge upgrade which shifted the network from POW to POS. The upgrade also turned Ethereum into an economically deflationary network. Despite expectations of deflationary pressure, various macroeconomic challenges have dampened these predictions. Bitcoin's price surge has overshadowed Ethereum's growth in value. As Ethereum continues to make progress in sustainability and accessibility, it faces ongoing obstacles in the ever-changing cryptocurrency landscape. Boerse Stuttgart Digital to launch Insured crypto staking service. Boerse Stuttgart Digital plans to launch a fully insured cryptocurrency staking service in 2023. Munich Re has developed an insurance product to reduce the risks of slashing, a penalty imposed on validators in a proof-of-stake blockchain for violating network rules or engaging in malicious activity. This is an example of established financial institutions expanding their crypto capabilities as the digital asset industry matures and increasingly intersects with traditional investment services. Deutsche Bank and HSBC are also expanding their crypto capabilities. Boerse Stuttgart Digital is part of the Boerse Stuttgart Group, which claims to be Europe's sixth largest stock exchange group. The firm obtained a license to custody digital assets from German finance watchdog BaFin through its subsidiary Blocknox GmbH. Boerse Stuttgart Digital and its clients can earn rewards on the assets stored with the firm.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.